How to erase and reset your iPhone to factory settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reset and erase your iPhone to factory settings. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we come back with another video. So what we can do here is first make sure that your details or your data is backed up. If you don't want it, you can leave it as it is. But if you want your data back so you can use your photos and stuff like that, make sure you've backed it up. Then what you can do is open up your settings. On your settings, what you'll need to do is go over to General. Tap on General. And on your General, you can scroll down all the way. There, you'll find an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, there you'll find an option that says Erase all content and settings. Tap on it and there you'll find Erase this iPhone. So this will sign you out of your Apple account and remove all of your personal data. So tap on Continue and then tap on Erase iPhone. Then you'll need to authorize this and verify this. So you might have to type in your password. And after you do that, your iPhone will start getting reset, and that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.